it caused a lot of my relationships to burn down. It caused a lot of the areas of my life not to kind of be where I wanted them to be. And there's a lot of people that, rightly so, don't have a very high regard of me because my behavior was based off of experiences that they weren't familiar with, that I was reminded of in those instances. Today, what I think is most important for the first episode of In Recovery from Villainy, Hurt People Hurting People, I would like to talk about men. I have read in numerous books about trauma, consequences of trauma, physiologically, cognitively, emotionally, spiritually. How is it showing up in our DNA? How might it be showing up from our grandparents' experiences? What does quantum consciousness look like? Does quantum theory look like? What does quantum consciousness or theory have to do with our experiences right now? In this path of learning to try to understand a situation that I'm dealing with in my law practice, I've got people coming in that care greatly about what's happening, and when the rubber meets the road, and sometimes people need to make really tough decisions, they're unable to do it, despite the fact that not making that decision or choosing to go a different path is going to be absolutely a worst outcome. And sometimes we've prepared for it for weeks. I've had people come to me and want to file civil cases or other things. And colleagues have told me similar instances that people will sue and then just not show up to court because they can't go there. All of these things seem to be cognitively, emotionally dissonant. You have someone that feels that they've been hurt, someone that recognizes a way to get out of that circumstance and be compensated for the pain, and not be able to do the very thing that was originally known to be required to get a resolution to the case in the way that they would want. And they can't do it. And often I would have criminal defense clients or domestic relation clients that would not be able to get out of their own way. Just don't seem to make any sense. And please forgive me, and I hope I don't bring offense to you, and I'm asking you to keep an open mind.